If you're in the market for a smartphone that offers a premium experience without breaking the bank, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max is an outstanding contender. Xiaomi has consistently impressed with its Redmi Note series, and the 15 Pro Max takes the brand's reputation for value to new heights. Let's dive into what makes this phone a standout choice. Design and build quality. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Max features a sleek, modern design that feels great in the hand. The phone sports a glass back with a matte finish, which not only adds a touch of elegance, but also minimizes fingerprints. The frame is crafted from high-quality aluminum, giving the device a sturdy and premium feel. The design is both ergonomic and visually appealing, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Display. One of the highlights of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max is its stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. With a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, the screen offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or just browsing the web, the display ensures an immersive visual experience. The addition of HDR10+ support means that content looks fantastic, with enhanced contrast and color accuracy. Performance. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM. This combination delivers top-notch performance, handling everything from everyday tasks to more demanding applications like gaming and video editing with ease. The phone runs on MIUI 15, based on Android 14, which is smooth, responsive, and packed with useful features. The device also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable internet speeds for all your online activities. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased with the camera setup on the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. The phone boasts a quad camera system with a 2MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, an 8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 5MP macro lens. The primary camera excels in capturing detailed and vibrant images, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its advanced image processing algorithms and OIS optical image stabilization. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses offer versatility, allowing you to capture a variety of shots with different perspectives. The 32MP front-facing camera also performs well, delivering sharp and well-exposed selfies. Battery life. Battery life is another strong point for the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. It houses a 5500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy use. The phone supports 120W fast charging, which can charge the device from 0 to 100% in just under 20 minutes. Additionally, it supports 30W wireless charging, a feature that's not commonly found in this price segment. Additional features. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and IP68 water and dust resistance. The phone also offers a large internal storage option of up to 512 GB, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Conclusion. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Max is a powerful and feature-rich smartphone that offers exceptional value for money. With its impressive display, robust performance, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery life, it's a device that competes with flagship models at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a power user or someone who just wants a reliable and well-rounded smartphone, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this.